It's day 12 of our Easy 20-Day Declutter Challenge, and today we're focusing on the small yet mighty surfaces in your living room, your coffee table and end tables. These spaces can easily become a catch-all, but not today. Let's declutter, style, and make these areas work for you. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. Each day, we're tackling a bite-sized area of your home, and today is all about giving some love to your coffee and end tables. These surfaces are often the centerpieces of your living room, so let's make them both stylish and functional. Coffee table refresh and end table declutter. Step 1, coffee table refresh. Start by clearing everything off the coffee table. Yes, everything. It's time to get a clean slate. Ask yourself, do I use this item daily? Does this belong here, or can it live somewhere else? Does this add style or clutter to the space? Keep only the essentials: a decorative piece like a vase or candle, a book or magazine you're currently reading, a tray for remotes or coasters that keep things tidy. Pro tip: less is more. A few intentional pieces make your coffee table look curated and inviting without feeling cluttered. Step 2, end table declutter. Now let's move on to your end tables. These spots are all about balance. Style meets function. Clear off each end tables and sort through the items. Ask yourself, does this item serve a purpose here? Is this the best place for it? Keep only what you need. A lamp for lighting, a small decorative piece like a plant or a photo frame, a spot for your drink or a book. Pro tip: use small baskets or a drawer, if your table has them, to hide clutter like cords, chargers, or pens. This keeps the surface clean and tidy. And there you have it. Your coffee and end tables are now functional, stylish, and clutter-free. Doesn't it feel amazing to transform these everyday surfaces into something that works for you? If you have tackled today's mission, let me know in the comments below. What's one item you decided to keep, and what is one that you let go? I'd love to hear in the comments about your progress. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you are ready for day 13. We're continuing on in the living room focus week. I can't wait to see what you have accomplished next.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.